Hello there, my beautiful souls. Welcome or welcome back to the Divine Deck. And in today's reading, let's see what we are going to have the reading about. So I have the astral cards with me, और इससे हम decide करेंगे कि what should be the focus of a reading. And let's see what astral house. Okay, I think we have one. We have a career reading. Great. So let's start. वी विल यूज़ द टी लीफ कार्ड्स टू लेट यू नो कि आपको अपने करियर में भी क्या जानने की ज़रूरत है और व्हाट आर बेसिकली द मैसेजेस meant for you when it comes to your career. Okay, so we'll be using the tea leaf cards to get the initial messages. Okay, plenty, we got plenty. I think some of you are waiting for news, package, or letter. This package could also mean a better package when it comes to the salary aspect of yours. So yeah, some of you are actually in the process, or waiting for a interview result, or when you just applied to a newer company and just you're waiting to hear back from them. So yeah, some of you are in the hearing phase, waiting phase. Okay, funnel. I feel like this period of frustration and lessons to be learned are coming from your present workplace. Some of you are frustrated to work there. You don't want to be, working there, and you're just there for the experience, right? Once you get the experience, you can probably get a better package somewhere else. You just don't like the workplace in general, is what I'm getting. Okay. Uh, we have broken bridge, unsuccessful outcome to a problem. You feel like this particular, career, maybe career path or the particular role you're doing is not very successful and you would like to change it. Okay. Mm. Major challenge to overcome. Right now, you feel like this career aspect of yours is a mountain. It's a hurdle to you. You just, want to overcome this challenge, is what I'm getting. Okay. We'll use the cards to get some more messages, and uske baad we'll use the tarot to, build up from there. Okay. Lily. Spiritual love. Okay. I feel like although आपकी career is a little messed up right now, you might already have someone you love a lot, or is your soulmate or partner in that sense, or you are about to find someone of that sort. So this is actually a positive messages in the heap of not so good news. Okay, let's see. What do we have for beautiful divine souls here? Okay, stepping into a new experience. So some of you will be getting this new job, and this will be a whole lot new experience for you. And I would suggest that this is definitely, since you're stepping in, right, this would be a better paying job or just a better role in general for you. Okay, involvement with the law. Okay, so please be careful. As you know na, ki companies do have a lot of documentations and rules and regulations to be followed. Make sure that you follow them to the T, because some sort of, this is just a caution, some sort of involvement with the law could be happening here. So make sure that whatever their rules or regulations or whatever agreements you signed, you're following those, and following the proper procedure is what I'm saying basically. Okay. Shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. Also be very shrewd when it comes to this transition of careers, or even if you are negotiating terms and conditions, or negotiating your pay raise, anything like that. Be very shrewd and resourceful. Use all the powers, use all the leverages that are presented to you. So that is the guidance. Let's see what else is coming. Oops. Faster. Okay. Fair woman. Dealing a relationship with a woman with a blonde, gray, or white hairs. So I don't think blonde could be, since we are on the Indian subcontinent, blonde might not be the case for you. But yeah, dealing with a woman in general, I guess. Oops. I have. Okay. We have sunrise, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. So definitely the career change, or just a different role, that is very prominent message here, and that will be happening for you. Okay, this is a very beautiful message. I think we should end it here, and I will use the Cosmic Insights maybe card. Okay, we have the Cosmic Insights card for you. What's coming in for their career? What's new? What's coming in? What should they expect in their career? Ooh, this is, I think, very very unique message for some of you. Some of you might be expecting. So, in case you were planning for a pregnancy, good news on that. You might be expecting. Okay, some of you might also be traveling soon. This could also be work related or just a vacation. So do enjoy your time. I think, although it's a timeless message right now, but I feel like since we are on the verge of Diwali, this could also be related to that. Okay. Um a lost loved one watches over you. Okay, this is a very beautiful one. All right. I think I should get some tarot cards, and then we can get some guidance also. So, what's coming in for their career? What's coming in their careers? Okay. Hmm. Uh oh. I think I have to censor this. Wait a minute. Hmm. We got the devil. Some of you are really, really, really struggling in your current workplaces. And we have the Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles usually represents, a lot of hard work and diligence in something. So if you're looking for your career change, please do put in the hard work, and develop the required skills for your new job with a better pay, because yeah, definitely the work has to be done. There are no shortcuts. Okay. King of Pentacles. If you were just switching the job for a better pay raise or just more money, I definitely see that happening. Okay. The Two of Pentacles. Pentacles in general is a good message here, because pentacle basically represents wealth, right? So yeah, some of you might be offered more than one roles, and you might have to choose between those two. So that is coming. Two of Pentacles. All right. Let's see what else. Oops. Let's see what this. Ah, we have the Seven of Cups. A lot of opportunities are opening up for you, my beautiful souls. That is for sure. Okay, because I think you will have your fair choice when it comes to choosing this new job. Some of you, I think for some of you, I also see that you might be moving to a different country for this job. So if you were planning to move abroad, definitely an affirmation here. um, I don't know why, but I'm getting New York. So if you were aiming to go to the US, I know given the current geopolitics, I don't. It does seem to be a little difficult to just go there, but I'm definitely channeling in that some of you might be moving to the US and New York in particular. Yeah. This could, for some of you, this could also be for college. Okay. Let's see. We have, yeah, the Ten of Swords. You're definitely struggling at your current workplace, but just don't give up right now. Have the energy, have the patience to work towards a better pay. So sorry, I had to begin again. My phone just got all heated up. So yeah, I think it also represents your situation, right? You're getting all heated up, and I had to start a new video. You need to start a new career. So yeah, let's take one more final tarot card, and then we'll move to guidance. The Star. Have hope that better things are coming for you, better opportunities are coming up for you, and just be positive in general, because once you start to think positive, everything does eventually starts to happen the way you want it to. So just have a positive outcome. Oh, I was supposed to hide this because YouTube kind of censors it. Okay. So, yeah, have a positive outlook on the things that is happening to your life. I know it might be a little difficult right now because, of course, things are bad, but try to. That is the guidance I have. We'll also use Lord Hanuman's guidance card. We'll pick up two cards, and that would be it for you. Okay. Self discipline. Control your senses as I mastered mine for inner peace. Practice self discipline and moderation to achieve tranquility. That is one guidance. And let's get one more. This one. Self confidence. Believe in your abilities as I believed in my strength and devotion to Rama. Self confidence and believe in your potential are crucial. So, yeah, that was all, my beautiful souls, for this reading. Hope you gained some clarity from it. And the affirmation for this reading is better things are coming for me. You can also write a better paying job is coming for me if that is your goal. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And that is it for today. Hope you have a great day or night whenever you're watching this video. Thank you.